What's going on YouTube? We got a special guest, new Wha Chu Ridin episode. And can you give everybody your social media?
Alright, I'm Bobby Yaga ZX10.
Yeah, he beat me actually.
Hey.
Yeah, he did.
This is all time. We got a new setup that we still gotta
Oh yeah.
on the streets.
True.
Yeah, so we're running basically a 2019 ZX10R. We have a 2 to 6 stretch, 520 kit. We're tuned by Nick's Performance Tuning. We have some stacks as well.
Okay. What, carbon or just?
See, I had MotoMac's carbon stacks before. Now I'm running his personalized 3D printed stacks. So we're just going around and testing his whole setup.
All right.
I basically sent him everything, and he just gave me everything back as a whole package.
Nice.
So I'm still like getting used to everything. We're running new gearing.
Yeah. So what are you at now? I know you don't have to give all your secrets.
Yeah, we're not gonna give out all the secrets now, but we're literally just testing. This is all fairly new.
Yeah.
I don't know if anyone's ever seen, but about in January we went to Miami. We had
yeah, I saw that episode.
Yep, 50 Eve, all the other big time guys.
Yeah.
So I had this thing built a week before we left to Miami. So
did you really get to tune it?
It's a work in progress. Everything is still testing. You know,
Yeah.
like where to hit, how to hit.
Yeah, that's very important. Because in December when NV King and we did the ride out in New York, it's like there was a lot to learn.
It's tough. It's
tough. Yeah, H2 Speed Rich and all that. Yeah.
To learn about it. It's a work of art, man. Honestly, the whole roll racing community. But,
yeah.
You know,
it's like a sweet science.
Oh, it's very. You have to get that like perfect, like happy medium, because if not, you're either you're going down. You know, it's simple as that. There's no ifs, ands, or buts with this whole sport.
Yeah.
You have to like be perfectly on point 100% at all times. There's no messing around with this thing.
Yeah. I have to say, folks, those of you who saw my winglet videos, these are the same ones. Looks better on his bike. I mean, that is just sexy. Very nice. Shout out to NJR. CJ, I love you, brother.
Hey,
Giving you
NJR the group, man.
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, we converted the track bike into a roll racing bike.
Yeah.
I will be
so this is purpose driven. That's just for that.
Yes. As of right now, we're gonna keep it as a roll racing setup.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I have a few tricks up my sleeve for the track.
Yeah.
I might be going Harley. I might be going track. Hey, we don't know yet. Every new day is a new idea.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna just take it day by day. We're gonna continue testing. We're gonna continue switching up the gearing, switching up the suspension setup.
Okay.
There's a lot of things in play. I still got stock shocks.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of things that I can switch out. I still gotta do a rotor delete. There's a lot of things that like you can play with. A to Z, there's like unlimited options when it comes to like building, especially a ZX10.
Yeah.
It's out of this world.
I have to say, I've seen this thing firsthand when we did our meetup. That thing pulls, man. It pulls.
Hey, listen, it pulls, but like,
I'm good in second gear. Once I switch to third, gearing is important. Then that's when you guys.
It's very important.
Yeah.
That's why we switched out the first gear and we did a first gear mod. We can take crazier hits now in first gear.
Yeah, it can slam it.
Really use that right off the line power.
Yeah.
And especially it pairs perfectly with that stretch.
Yeah.
So we're not lifting. We're not losing any bit of traction.
Yeah.
Thanks to our beautiful Michelin tires.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
It's really all about it,
All right. Definitely not taking passengers on this one.
Oh, wait, we're definitely not taking no passengers down here.
All right. If you don't mind, do you want to do a startup so we can hear this thing?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. To my fans that watch both channels, hey, it's nothing but love here. And I respect, hey, I'm fine with losing to a Ninja. All right?
Only it's to a Ninja. Anything else, we'll delete it.
Yes. And that's the air.
Yeah, it's the air fuel ratio.
I need that actually because
it's there to basically tell me if there's anything wrong with my air fuel ratio.
Yeah.
Anything that's getting wrong with the tune. This way, I'm not going out doing pulls. I'm not getting the right fuel. I'm not getting the right air delivery.
Yeah.
So it's just there for me to be like, hey, something's not right. Don't run. You're gonna blow your engine.
Yeah, so, that's right. I'm gonna get that.
It's a very good like necessity to have, especially when you're running
for what you guys do.
Build like this,
yeah. All right.
Yeah, it definitely needs to be like on point.
Yeah, I don't know if it's cold, but if you want to just give us a little sound. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes, sir.
Air tuition.
It's sexy, bro. But you know what? You already know MotoMac.
Hey, MotoMac's coming soon.
Yeah. I'll see if I can get T'Challa on the channel.
Yeah,
but
we'll get T'Challa out here.
yeah, so make sure y'all rate, comment, and subscribe. Support my brother right here. You know what I mean? This bike, hey, at that turnpike, you were just like the Flash,
Hey,
gone.
listen, we're gonna do some more testing, like I said.
I'll be out there with you. I'll be out there with you guys, all right?
We go out tonight, we'll get some footage, and then, you know, you'll see it next.
Well, my 360 camera, the battery's dead today. I don't know.
Oh, man.
All right, but brother, thank you so much, my man.
All right,
All right, we'll catch you later.